Welcome 3 class. I'm your skills teacher. Open your book. Today we will study the 11th chapter of grammar review, that is apostrophes. What are apostrophes? The mark apostrophe is used with an S to show ownership. ऑनरशिप शो करने के लिए जो मार्क यूज़ किया जाता है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एन अपॉस्ट्रॉफी. द अपॉस्ट्रॉफी इज पुट इमीडिएटली आफ्टर द नाउन फॉर द ऑनर और ऑनर्स. ऑनरशिप शो करने के लिए जो मार्क यूज़ किया जाता है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अपॉस्ट्रॉफी. इट हैज़ अ सिंबल विद एस. इट्स यूज्ड विद एस. apostrophes are not used with possessive pronouns such as hers, yours or ours. See students, apostrophe, see the symbol here. It's used to show ownership, यानी कि कोई भी चीज़ जिस शख्स से बिलोंग कर रही होती है उसको शो करने के लिए apostrophe का यूज़ किया जाता है. That is put immediately after the noun for the ownership. नाउन के लिए जो चीज़ जिससे बिलोंग करती है उसके लिए जब हम यूज़ करेंगे तो हम उसके बिल्कुल साथ यूज़ करेंगे विदाउट पुटिंग एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ स्पेस. लाइक अक्साज डॉल, अक्सा की गुड़िया. Here we are using a noun and to show the ownership we will put here apostrophes s. See other examples, like if we talk about Bilal's book, Bilal की किताब. Any other example? See, Asma's bag is on the table. Here apostrophes that I have used, they are used to show the ऑनरशिप. ये ऑनरशिप शो करने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्टली वी विल टॉक अबाउट द रूल्स ऑफ यूजिंग अपॉस्ट्रॉफी. इट इज़ नॉट यूज्ड विद पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउंस. पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउंस के साथ यूज़ नहीं किया जाता. एंड व्हाट आर पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउंस? वी हैव स्टडीड अर्लियर. द नाउन्स दैट आर यूज्ड टू शो the pronouns that are used to show positions are known as possessive pronouns. For example, this bag is hers. Those things were yours. These are possessive pronouns that are used to show the possession. See the next rule. How we can use apostrophe with plural? If we're talking about singular category, see here, if we are using like horse, saddle. If we're talking about horse, saddle, we are using apostrophe like this. But if we're talking about the plural, like horses we are talking about, so we will not put again apostrophes s like this. It will be declared wrong. We will write like horses, we will just put a comma here, horses, saddles. Got it? Any other example we can take? See the professors academy. Here professors are plural. It's a plural word, so we will put here only comma. We will not put s. Similarly, boys, we will not put again s. It will be declared wrong. We will write like this, like boys clothes. So these are two main rules for using apostrophes. See the exercise, very easy. Question number A, rewrite these sentences using apostrophes. We will simply use apostrophe where required. After 4 hours by train, we arrived at our sister's home. It's very easy. We will simply put here the comma, that is apostrophe. After 4 hours by trains, we arrived at our sister's home. Shahid's house is near the beach while ours is near the market. Now you will solve this question. I have put here the apostrophe. It's very simple. You will just rewrite this sentence by putting apostrophe. See here, apostrophes are used in contractions to show where letter have been omitted. जहाँ पर हमने कुछ लेटर्स को स्किप किया होता है वहाँ पर हम अपॉस्ट्रॉफी लगा देते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल डज नॉट, Does not, the short form, the contraction, if we are using here, so we will simply omit O here, हम O को skip कर देंगे and we will put here apostrophe here. Does not will become doesn't. It doesn't. I will, we will skip W and I and we will put here will. It will be pronounced like will, like I will, I'll. So we will write the contractions in full. Write these contractions in full in this question. They will, have not, you are, let us. It been called as they'll, haven't, your, let's. See the next page here. I would, I am, do not, whose, he will, did not, should not, could have. So these are the contractions you will do by yourself. See the question number C. Rewrite these sentences making contractions for the words in bold print. The words that are given to you in bold print, like you will is a word that is given here, and do not is also. You will just make it contracted form, like you will be late if you don't hurry. He doesn't know me. Let's hope it will not rain today. They haven't arrived yet. They are very excited that we are coming tomorrow. They are very excited that we are coming tomorrow. We will make it. They are very excited that we will convert into we are coming to visit. I'm sure he will do his best. Now see the last question. Write the full forms of these words. We are already given the contractions here. O'clock. This is apostrophe used here. We will just remove the apostrophe and write the full form of these words. Of clock, o'clock, like 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock. We use these words in our everyday speech. These are having apostrophes with them, so we will remove these apostrophes and write in full form, like ma'am is given here. Ma'am, it's the word ma'am, and this is apostrophe that is used here, so we will simply remove and put here D. It's madam. Madam is the right word and ma'am is the contraction of this word. So this is today's lecture. We study about the apostrophes, and that what are apostrophes. Apostrophes are used to show ऑनरशिप. ये ऑनरशिप शो करने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं, और थिंग्स को वर्ड्स को कंट्रैक्ट करने के लिए भी यूज़ किए जाते हैं. जो बड़े वर्ड्स होते हैं उनको कंट्रैक्ट के लिए, कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं. ठीक है. So this was our today's lecture, and your first term syllabus is also covered. So you need a lot of practice to make your concept more sound and more mature concepts. You have to. Now we will start our composition, so be prepared for this.